Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Yum Yum Herbias, and hello to all my Yummy-licious around the world. How are you there? So today guys, we will do unboxing because yesterday I made this order in online, and these items actually it's for my niece. Okay, her name is Abby, and she's only 2 years old. Okay, so guys, I'm so excited now to open this one. Unboxing time. Here we go. Okay,
Yes,
so
I was good here.
hi,
I
this is
give
Chef
this one.
Muslim.
I am not giving for
Yeah.
her, right? This is like what?
Okay.
Yes.
Oh my God, it's very nice.
Yeah, very nice.
Black, black.
Wow.
Very nice.
So here we go, guys. This is well, Howell. You can see. This is for my niece Abby. So I'm gonna open now. Oh my God, this is amazing. I'm so excited. Wow. See? I think there's an instruction here that I'm gonna press from here, and then by during nighttime, okay, when you are inside your room in the gloomy area, okay, so you can open this, you can press this one here, I think with the battery, and you can show see the design. Okay, nice. Abby, this is for you from Auntie Henna here in Abu Dhabi. Okay, so you see this one. So by nighttime, sorry, so by nighttime, this is the one. Okay, you can see the different designs. It's very nice. Look at Abby. This is for you. Yes. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't
Short
forget.
video.
Don't forget.
Short.
Okay, and don't forget also to subscribe my YouTube channel. And also thank you so much, Aaron, for making a video for me. Okay, see you soon guys. Bye!